This is the Lone Creator YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by locking the fundamentals so SEO can work. Secure your domain, hosting, and HTTPS, then install your CMS. Once done, connect Google Search Console and Analytics to gather data from day one, submit an XML sitemap, and add a robots TXT file so bots know where to go. Next, perform quick keyword research and choose 5 priority pages to optimize immediately. Write clear title tags and meta descriptions, and add focused headings so search engines understand your main topics. You now tackle the meat of SEO: speed, mobile, and content architecture. First, improve site speed by compressing images, enabling caching, and using a CDN. Faster pages boost rankings and conversions. Make sure your site is mobile first and fix broken links and duplicate content with canonical tags so crawlers index the right pages. Then build content clusters and map keywords to specific pages, adding schema markup to help search engines display rich results. This organized approach lets authority grow predictably. You finish by measuring and amplifying. Launch a link-building outreach plan focused on guest posts, partnerships, and reclaiming broken links to raise authority. Monitor KPIs like organic traffic, CTR, rankings, and conversions, and run a /B tests to refine titles and CTAs. Once results appear, iterate content and republish improved pages. Make small changes and measure again. If things go wrong, no traffic after changes. Check Search Console for manual actions or crawl errors, revert recent major changes, and re-audit technical settings.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.